The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is no longer just rumors, it's here in the real world. We have real-life footage of the DJI Pocket 4 camera. DJI's Osmo Pocket 4 vlogging camera has surfaced in a new leak. Featuring an LED floodlight, the Osmo Pocket 4 also appears to borrow from GoPro in adopting a new SuperPhoto camera mode. The packaging showcases the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 in its Creator Combo variant. Eye-catching DJI Osmo Pocket 4 text with the signature pocket-sized design, featuring a rotating touchscreen displaying a stunning landscape. Intuitive new controls for zooming in, including a joystick, record button, and microphone grill. Only a single-lens module-based Pocket 4 camera is coming. The Pocket 4 camera seems like a subtle upgraded version of the Pocket 3. 1-inch sensor equivalent CMOS listed as 2.5 centimeters. Optimized for superior low-light performance and dynamic range, matching the evolutionary upgrade from the Pocket 3. Video recording, 4K per 120 frames per second for buttery smooth slow motion and high frame rate footage, a clear step up from the Pocket 3's 4K per 60 frames per second standard. Stabilization, advanced 3-axis gimbal for rock-steady shots, refined for even better handling. Focusing and tracking, fast autofocus with intelligent face/object detection, ensuring sharp subject lock during dynamic vlogs. Rumors and leaks suggest its price will likely range from approximately $599 for a base model up. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.